So hi guys, welcome to my Prinda. And this is my house. That is my farmhouse. And this is my animals, my tiger, my giraffe, and my elephant. Let's go to my elephant. My elephant is eating grass, okay? So it's busy right now. So we were here picking up a pineapple. Let's see. No, it's baby. Ay, this one is... Wait. Sure. Okay. So right now, this is my farmhouse and let's go to our tiger. Our tiger is very buutan. Yes, that is him best. Best in actress. So right now, this is my guava and another pinya. Thank you, PE.